once the woman live on or can say radin shramma one shrama sinema into senshirano if the woman said it shenili no matter how you suffer in life that blessings now mama srema will come to pass. The woman is only there to enjoy, so it is the woman's responsibility to see to it say or no shema obi sromo. So it's before the mother and sana the wiraba.
Yeah, we shall from Uncle Namontua de Moya, so Yame, we shamo, on Yam Cassin, one want him to bando, no, and the shares of Sky Mayano, and Yasan Pono, Uncle Sanson Siramo. Yan share the catching seeing Jam Chidida, because so pa, in doing a so about so Sky Maye, Sherman near Vinson San Kabi. Conversation the war no say, I think every ornament me and Bisa, now Odia tour, and Yancy Miss San Juan so, I was with you orbiting their tour. No baba downstairs when your testimony and near beauty at all. A year for 2 comment session or then you have been soon yes and quite and far and 2 no for so become whom I mean. I feel you say calm or say about no banded that's here no. What do I say over far? You move be out far of friend now or best fish or bet you name mum the all can say of friends as a mammy and he fana or may bow now waba na share nam Jesus being so. I feel one more country in Chamunjai. And Bomodian said, what I'm no man, money and that one cut a flow, or some voice note, who are point to ma, that voice note, because we must so Nayana editing, now and make my reply, now I churn a Sabia or G any phone D, a your dear. Mammy, Papa, maybe I will put the no, Miss Ghana, my name, Yasamai, Edawasi, Papa, yes, then I made it. Young Pong was shroud. Sira mem, one of the Ampoka was Mr. Mem, Mary, also a Shannon mem, yes, and the way a bravo so marry my yes, I don't want Jesus, no. I'll do what you on to condemn, Amen, will be singing. Amen. Mammy, a job what you say about Sisiana, you are Simbi, any denam, into you then come and come out, would you need I'm on call for Yana, say, I don't want to show the Medas, I watching a show. Menchia can see a dick kind, a common you Reverend Calvin can come, Madame, say, at least one of the moment. And so for Reverend, a spiritual person, I am no different with you from say, a blue different, and because me ya pie and Tino. As a dark as CNN and Jack as a command, and in a bushia said the outie biano, a bushia Joe, sir. No offense, I want 1 day as I show it him, sir. See, you're doing Shirak as yet. Every body, I heard the mom say, why you're not dumb. Now, many kuna, or Thomas said, I am it here. They told me, no comma, me cherished and beautiful subscribers. Say, a no so no more, and I'm your channel see your dredge and I'm my nature servants obit me din fi amanone abrofu na efremi o abrofu de o de bar ha de be chon yentimen kan hwe nti mo de number na mo mama cha mo say o be translate ya mo wa ti me chia mo nyina Michia ya bra penny say tapia my Von me mame Docas Michia mo dawson if I should mention them there are so many Michia mo nyina emfa hone baby a owo wadwuma bi a person the brain nature servant what the banner you within me powers I'll tell you me ntime nye so a meka kiro me nya adwuma wo phone so wo fe me say wo be say me nya adwuma wo phone so ma wa bra wo Ghana ha de a be say bia me fa me fi kura na yemia no mo wa kwantu mu a o makwan mu no aye tenten na enema bi sisi a obra ya de no o mo na ya tied ya Christ ho a sacrifice e mo na o Ghana na ka chen se o Accra kuma se wa obi fi Cote d'Ivoire eba yes what I say obi fi Nigeria eba it doesn't matter where you are eba so there is no boundary. Canada, see, we are here for you. Who are going to Modia, I can sacrifice for you. It's in Chaka, see, common na Madame Massey. You when I bought me, no, or since Chaka, come Yamin Sram, near yet the woman, my Yamin Sram, Uncle Swan, Tremushim. Say, be a local association about you, Nickel and the other. Who feel before you will be there.
Yes, Papa. Okay.
Yen na mo from me so mi tia kofa ba fo. Na em say ultimate yen kan interview kra titi akonda American interview ya. O ti obi say one na yire nda. One na yire koda wi amfanchi o pen wen dale. Na wakọ interview na you know 5 years. Na me say mami me yeso no ba there ma ndale. Ohun na de china de ko jamba ji ho. Em say ma me na susu mu no. Chire bi say atimi si ma ni ya na.
Oh, ya so for na say o your comfort. Because Bible speaks against obi a wona na yire ada wan ndare na odi pia bonten. Quran speaks against obi a ona oba ko hiem ada. Na one ten ho. A comfort speaks against obia oni oba hiem na wan dwira ne ho. You nature servant, I highly speak against obema oni oba da na one ten ho. Obo for kro ma yedi o chirade e pon.
Ma me fe ko.
What into your question?
Fam ko.
I have to make a some chirobia, may the kind of cray. Whoever did that video, me and share him. Let me tell you, it's me the atro and kind of question is hindered spiritually. It takes spiritual eye to see and deceiving nipa. Oba ekratu. Whether it is bad luck or good luck is to me. Enti sawa ye wo yere, sawa ye wo mpena, ekratu. Enti sawa no yere da. No matter how faithful you are with your wife, she might not even be faithful to you. Ye wo mema bi onfa na yere chi dan so na yere bo away. Nso owu ye nti wase na yere diem fa na chi da me na yere bone. Nso obi na wo yere dan efo achi. No matter how faithful you are, God fearing you are. No matter the class of person you are, only oba biada. We are brushing. What's all?
And no, you lack it up each.
I never lack it. I was only about them.
Or say a lack of carbon in the man 5 years.
No. It's never true. It's not like this. What happens is, so one casana only about Nakodano. One, so we want to say, oh, okay, me no me nada. Akosia. Nani ma aduna na ochina ye sorry na ye ho ama asem a me ko interview no from parable time echi
also jale
na ene na ye bibie wi a obete wo ho what you say na oba na te ne ho aware for the before humanity ne hu say no ye holy.
Wow.
Before you nation ye hu aware for be hu so mo ho tintina Germany ba bi ni Germany be ma bi ti aware sorry them as married man and married woman or maybe communion just to pretend, just to deceive the public. Wow. But between them, no, between them, between them, but between they know what they have done in secret. You cannot even trust your husband spiritually, and you cannot trust your wife spiritually. You should rather trust your mother.
Wow.
How are you anything? So can say for chira ko twem pena na oyere nche wa oyere nche they will have suspicion without evidence.
Also obi fi ne jane na nche na obe ho number ko.
O petumi ene bambo a na efro ba ho a o ma meti ase akọ o ma me ho. Papa o ma me ntimi fo wachi because only need sexual relations bia but if fi na se na ye den e ba ye ntitumi a o hwehwe film ma ho no it is your mother who has it not your wife. Your wife is only there to pray for you so that you are successful.
Wow.
You are relaxed.
Wow.
Your mother is there to see you succeed.
Wow.
Because when you jaw, na ni chi ma beto said me omo papa amre.
Wow.
But the wife is there having a seat. You could kwa juma ya de sro ma ya na doma okwa contract for boss chale. Sweetheart for us, well, we are rich. But when you tell your mother see you de nyame say. I rather why you me buy ye. Ela bitimi si fie se na me tika me nyaaye no me na yere ya bobra won so die ni fie ni abribia o hwese me ba no bedi yie na yere ne me man so di yie but the woman as a wife na dey behind your back you don't know what they do it's who ma o yere de nsa to so bompa ya mawa is dangerous.
Mama you come for me say behind every successful man there
is a woman
na anye o yere no.
Listen. Before a woman becomes a wife, she has been a mother.
Okay.
So if you are successful, it's either your mother or nobody.
Wow.
So Uka said there is a woman behind every successful man, whether the woman is alive or dead. Once the woman lived on or can say radin shramemma, on shrama sinemumma. It is essential if the woman said it genuinely, no matter how you suffer in life, that blessings now will come to pass. The woman is only there to enjoy. So it is the woman's responsibility to see to it, say, or no
yeah.
So it's before the mother and sana oyiraba. The mother comes first in everything and son oyiraba. So maybe automatically or curse.
Wow.
Or she automatically or blessed. It means without the mother being the blessing before. Before you see a husband succeeding, you get to know that the blessing came directly from the mother. The wife is only adding up to the blessing. It's true some women are highly lucky, but without the mother's luck attached to Obama DNA, this woman can make you successful at the end of the day. Be a crowd, be a better the work of because of that, know what you say for no, and then it's my son, you become who you are today. So and then so if the relationship is ending, automatically you have to make sure you fall. But your mother, no matter how you hurt your mother, she will never want to see you fall. So if you are seeking for a blessing from a woman, go to your mother.
Wow.
No matter how painful she has hurt you, you can still go and attract blessings from them. Because man from that. But when you are baby tina we do pempen so be na ware na anya ware biom. Now Jana and the previous na so be so be from. Even the current one wants to see you to go up. No, what easy no kura no. What you say? Me talk as I can say man, but the mother wants to see the son moving forward. Wabra only reason be our home. But when we get into marriage, no be man start to cause shop. We who say ex wife and ex girl. Anytime you be woman be a kawa betre. A honey be pay betty. But the mother will see the son and humble herself because me who say me burden pen so be. What you say? Me believe said there is a wife before the man became successful. There was a mother before the son became successful. So before the son became successful, the mother prayed for the son. I'm not sure how did you become successful. There was somebody who took care of you, and she stood in as a mother. And even though now I'm so dear son, spiritually no or standing as a mother, and wherever your mother is, whether say you so or tears no connected to the spirit. And when they bless you, it is called blessing.
Wow.
What I say?
Wow.
So me look and say about na show power mo kuna the what of if why successful because of me shira. And I'm even the just the slightest blessings what you say? So we can worship our wives, we not as in worship and leaving God behind. We can praise them, we can cherish them, we can love them, but we do not make them our God.
Wow.
Our mothers are our God. No matter how weak my mom may be, me who say we shirame. As I always say, me na shirame kunu, and sana me ko shirame kunu. Na I never be my husband. But catch him say, "Ben me be ebe wari me be a one year shira." The old lady took care of me. Fitting in colabrim. We shirame kunu. Instead of so be shirame, no catch him say, "Me ben me be ebe wari me be a no." Onye shira, and automatically so me jitu munti aye shira. What you say? So there has always been a mother before the wife. Until if you're a wife and you think, say, one thing I could be here, go back spiritually and see, said that this man, that the mother prayed for her. No matter where she in the world. If yes, then you get to know, so you are even not nowhere close to that blessing. What you say?
Wow. Me come my tomb and then one might say didn't Mother's Day a trendy thing for days.
Of course.
Because say Obabe can crazy no a yana unta inya. Na momo dia some subscribe mo share na conversation on mami nyasem mo we comment nyanyasem mo because mama na what can you name no osan so ka asem bi no for or say o yere dey no for egu so no shira na no so ya na la ko
bia we ti so bi to bi fun wan tie ni ye represent akwala bia woni mu ma me ni fuda you are blessed nti so shira we be shira odome e bedome nti se odwuma na wo kope e na wo kai auntie bi na what to say okay ade a che oba me kwa adwuma o ene me yire mo mpaye ma me na me nyankonimdie you see say the woman will tell you say nyame fa wo komra me dua somdwe no bia wo hwehwe bia anya ho o yire beka me bompaye ene na wo somdwe wo kwakodi nkonim na wo sika na fotoka the woman will pray according to the wishes but the mother will pray according to how they want to see you. What you say? Enti answer na beka so yere fa na enu funto utiri so bompaye ma no o ma me de ni so to utiri so e bompaye ma o enti na breastfeed fi ni ho enti na wo fa na se enti na fa wo bo kokoso wo figu ne so ampa wanted uja wona gu ne so wan ha wo odidi yes wo benu odidi na aba kona ultimi pepa ultimi ntwa odidi na wa pepa all this your mother went through all this your wife is only enjoying the better part of you today. So all these things he was referring to a mother, not a wife. Enti be bitimiti ho na aka cha ne say kwa umma ne ho na onhyiraw. Agise de ya ware a oba no de akomapa odopa adwenfan na obetena ye na wode na ye te say bola na watete no eno de the mother spirit will step aside because spiritually the law of nature is there. Spiritually, the spirit of your mother that is behind you will step aside, and this woman out of an aggressiveness, the spirit will fight you. And then it's so about Bonia na Obenyano. What you say? You understand? So bar. She's also going to become a mother, and Sankalani the few so automatically no the other year sure na many chehono or the no we be can cram into yes by man from oba and domeno I don't need niba to only niba there to me domeno kai who say oh near be man so no so for you be adia oba domeno yeah so it's all about forgiveness.
Yeah, okay. What can you forgiveness ba nyame onhyira.
Amen.
Nyame onhyira. I say there be anu sia obi ya dwunim ye kura ne ya na ye ba no bi ya dwune you say the ohen so when the wanya na ye say ka so ma me tia sia what ka say tia ma me ne da bomodin a opani e na bo de to ko hwe ne pa na chow because bi na wo contract na wonya no e yo ma me ane ne e twema nso sa ne be you e bia no o be
ye kura na ja bwachi ya me chiche ye no I want to copy fee. What would you do about it?
No.
Sir, we are not chiche na no who say we be by for all ma free ho buy. Bia na maybe a twam no obofo bi na wo ba bia na onye by for no kura good spirit na wo e na ba wi ase na be ti na ni be jeje no no de ahometie wu ntamti ya me da ma by for ba bia eden awo na fa de weapon ho. The only thing to do is to fight the law and win until you love them back.
Wow.
To pay off the debt to be not a what spiritually, you pay it off. So no matter how witch or wizard my parents are, I cherish them. So I said I'm party. Oh no, what's the name of Congress? Oh ma, me kase de bia, he's there for me, and my mother is always there for me. And somehow they can be rejected by many people, but my love overcomes everything.
Wow.
No matter how they are. Sweetheart, the best to do, say you clothe them, you fence for them, you feed them, then what pay baby palm or my then atina. Now one more money actually. What be so be no yamana, canaboko or dosso, when you be a former, and say, be another composer, and channel woo, no water. So by floor, make sure you're ding, because what the pakraman on one quite ye be a say, on crash it. What I said, the better welcome. The other kind of say, I'm about on to my baby. If you show to me, fair than life, so when should I not be all dear? Now, what now I'm not really big unions or the baby bonnet or not. So love conquers these witches. They can't do anything to you when you love them.
What's your dog? Unless I not do none or dog.
When you love them, they can't do anything.
When you are a dream, I will say, Mammy, you are temple near a pages you or say pages you because in some passy, you know. Ohefa yen kan okwe mommy and funny thing they say baby chinchina ma isi anu bu ma ne mame o wala sana wo ka chen say bra bia no ne mame ne ba chi de bra ne ye ne mame na upon saying,
oh, mamma, one funny see from
the mamma Tibia says also call also penance.
Sir, yeah, to mamma, and the car one and the quiet, you tell a coto, one customer will be a hope for, and see they become inactive. What you say? What do you know? Shop be out the straw, man. Said your pampa mono. Men taba therefore continue to because your love overcomes them. So they be a high a soon couldn't. It's really say when me call my cover be answer. Yes, me mama me me about into me yet there. Man, really she ada ya kodono. Ya chiche mama for no dear no. Ya chiche wo me o me no so wo me a unya ya no. Ya chiche jafo no wo share unya. Wo timi ko fo bi mama me wo de da oboa. Because a frumano na ekasa na bole cord no na ekasa and then actually say we chia dey free na free na na ye buy so you can just love them unconditionally ma fufuro hu say we buy for kra portion we bi kwa no nye beye na hu na say bi ankoye fe what you say yes ka for ye teacher mu din ba kokoro ma no ye buy food we here for ye bere yan so na ye survive no because of du ku bi a obode kwa kire so for no hu bi a ye kire so for nti ra no ma me na wo say ma me wow so for no kran ka say nim say ono a so for so ma me ye buy for so for ma me kwa da be chen ma me o hu bi ma me ye buy for sikani ma me ye okay na me abra me ti hey me na just say to bo ma me be ye be ka hin say what a whole legend me fear him na fregu so because you know me na me free
and I be sure so that be
what you say so no one can condemn their mothers no matter how difficult dangerous they are love conquers everything intimacy say should be see a high the pia should see na so high pia ekata esumne su nyina ma han no ye hu no nti udama na o hihye ne yosiesie ne hu ye be hu se ma ne hu be start ya fe na obi ho a ne ma me sin nyina tutu e artificial teeth aba obeti ma ko hihye bi ma no na siesie ne hu pari gibi e fe fa hye ne na fa ne pie na ka se ma me be fe be so bi be waso ba wo jane tantan pe o ti dan chu onu mu no woni aduane pani na wa wrinkle ni nti no it is believed to say obi ahụ ye tan a o ye ba ifo ohia ni ba to I pay for
mommy stand for house not na
yeah
intini baby intimi to assassin fan basis mama ne bayi
sa
na umsu so wa ba wubi
sa
inti say mama kano e say mother day ever gift her about the thing that mama for you say video be fan mother day we to start now ma obi so nsa ka bi fi say en se mama na kano opani enyo yire ni shira wo yo mama shira e na ba wa kano because oba no beto kwan fifi se na ba wa se no kore no so unya 40 kwansa na wisha it is the last 40 years past no one na ne wo na maame na na maame ya kan enti bo modin apani ko maame ne chow oba ta kware maame so ya na ofu maame ko ya
na ko to kwa se debe o so sorry kwa mo pa me chow me ba no me ntimi tu muda enya hwe no wa amanaka but akwara ya wo oyire
wale ofan ma ko
me na be me sa no afa na be pa me che woman will not do that this show said the mother's love is greater than the wife's love what you say and ma me can say me sa wale na e counselor ne ko e case foforo ye be chire me
about edrum na o say ye dey ma dey need this
of course
na ya bra bo bitimi akonkan ne tumpon a the mama ya ken fa number no na se bi kwa hu kwa fa so ko mama ko pa twa ba na obecho o mo akwankyere no obecho dem ko ye mama me no na mama ya na ba ho so muslim no bi won mo ba nchin ya o si o fa mama me bra won na mo so ba be bo si ba so ko fa mama me bra which was it over no dem ma bucket baby fa mama me bra
yeah for so be ka se ni mama ye ba ifo o bedru ho wi a me se dawo mama ya se na wa sin na na me ewu
o fa mama me bra
na makacha se bambo da ne so but me pese me hu mama ansa o ba me se koto dawo mama ya se awo mere bi sei apaye bi ayi ma obo se hane e twa oba ne ho hia na abrantie mutu koto na na me ewu ne gina ho na yira ka kire ne se o maame ye baifuo enti sese maame ne ba gate ya no crowd ne nsaka ho a electric shock
e be kwani be bi o ma be o me so fi ko ma
maame nim ho nso mo mane no chop money beko eno kra mpo nyame na ya adom na ye biko. Mothers are the spirit we have behind us.
Wow. And what the can nyina your boss engage mama tiase bia otiasi maninya so fa so. But after can say ono on top plot man mama ngina so a so o mama bi pa de on tiase. It's also top plot man mama nya gina so say ye mama obre me ho. Won so fa wi kwa bra ne ma fa papa. I mean, time friend, mammy now. I feel too intimate. We say
friend,
we best friend, no,
best friend, no, first love, no.
It's yao, met your officer, and about me at no master say, behind it a young plano, and then yet, or you know, a young mammy, no, most men chrono. If you call ma, or see chow, you channel, and the trainer.
If you cook to make pie, yes, half a pump, not pie, a big to make cajun so channel. Mothers go through hell until your bar so. No worry, not all stop your mother-in-law from coming to the summer. You remember Chia Kauma, and you remember Yobi, and a man Kwa. Remember Chia Capeta and Rabi and Garden cry the Biba Captain. Not true. Because of your wa, Tato Awono, ye cha, ye the second you, then you chana could chana juice channel. You see a tenase. Let China juice channel and some of your sign up pump and China juice channel what kind of tokwanya with Jan and they have gone through so be a cadia or one a body of firm one and pimple say we get it and now Panabeka say tell my that
of a lumber you doing about which are
besame my auntie baby son the history Rebecca ate the move of dates you see what's your more
wow.
It's your own class of no. What you say? I am where I am because of me, man. For women and I'm a crown. You man, I'm in tolerating and minimum from at Nancy the woman. Hey, I will do 5 none the amount. What you say? We love them without my men. You wouldn't be saying so before, or you will be young no. So, Wakaka Benson, Papa, I know who must show Papa, who have said they are who never fetch your mammy or
yeah, never been known to say. Monopause, no, say monopause, no, so I say you do on mouse, say, no more, let's say, and you know who called you monopause, what you know, the next thing you're back on.
Oh, for now, grow for the normal. Why? For the normal. Because it will get to a time, I also monopause on a bed, they are changed. And your children are going to treat you just the way you treated your mother. I bet Bob, Papa,
Ofa, Miniaba, Megafa, Miniaba, Miss Sedamo, Fanombe will be a frabawa. Every 17 call ban in Tia, or better no so ye. Na some of them son tears and so are. Obo come on one hand, I'm no crampon. Oh, no, some tuna. 2 million for me, Mamma, don't think as much as say, oh, yeah, but you know, call them. The no funya, me come come, young coy prison honor. Uncle Canada, Bossin, mammy, dear. Baby, say, you visiting then, or no so expecting them, I'm if you're classy. No, oh, or sleep in tea. Or the so dear, educate, and Chalaba Bontiwati. Mamma is also a channel. Mamma or see or mix it 1 minute cry. He said, please don't go from my uncle. So that's the Piama day. And no so intimate turn a banner or a year old. So, you don't know whatever from. It's now it's if you crowd quite about forward. A dream now saying some quiet. Mamma for more year by no. Maybe said Mamma tea and a mother's day, never sweet dear St. Father's Day because a bad time, a young do everything. And a mamma, the Anna Yara, when they say, so obey doom preference will be on to me, will be. Ya can't send a money, none of the banning chain. The Mumbema doing 78 crana, it's man and answer. Boba, there now cocating. Sir, I say 1 gen and none me inquired, eh, Monkom grandma, no, what I say, Papa, pay girls are mamma, so yes, for my memory and Panama. Now you see, share my memo. Offer from my menawati. Now, because about me, I say, who ye dear no, if from on so. What I think to Bomodia so bend the sa. Nothing shall come with you and say, Momodia to subscribe. Moon through na moon share. Now, Monkoswa testimony so no about this. We haven't forbidden to one and you've been young. I think Samiana, my I be before say, I am many 4 many 4. But what's a good and more so? Maybe we'll write a program. Our cow. What you saw, say now testimony is at all. Now, if you come and say about tempo, no, or see, because about tempo, dear. also to my sister mammy, you may be my netana. Be out your barb in your beard, and we shall no 1-on-1. No take a bomb pie, no Tiana or Jenny found it. What do you answer a phenomenon? The office, let me say, come on, my own southern song, Cosa Alca. A foot to bay. And your punch bay, so be on what cassette and mammy can be so. So, tell mammy found this, so I did not be just any pay.
That's a real crowd. Me and my teaching, see, but I'm so emotional. Mamma can't say one show, many about many of them. So or more, I will 80 cylinder de banana. You dare not hate your mother. You will 80. Now when you're 40, 41, 42, 43, you dare not hate your mother. Because that time no na ye owu nkwa. Na o ma me ko di line mu. O peton brown abre no. Me ye bro no so we di enti. O ma kwa me ye bo no so no we jeton brown. No wa be kanon. Se ye wo that time na be pim that time ye wo mu ya. O ma me ye wunyame.
Oh.
Because na that time no be a friend na wanyu mo kwa no right because akomo si. Think it was you too. Now a plan on quality, but you are seeing no way. Need to me from and son calculate. No woman, not what fair come. Just as she any said the corner, Bena Brisoko, but two up, Bena before they are then quite and your nam. Now, but you there would debate. Now, a monkey, son, near my man can see any son. Shares it out. Let me near baby. Sunday, I am very serious, sir. I think you will here. We buy a 58, you know. Let me see 2,000. Let your mother be your God.
Wow.
Because all every right. Sata me ma be send your tomma. Me kura won se ye kowo me. Nya hyenso bi bi eda na chi ohu bi wo me chi anka ye fa me kowo. Nanso ono na komo de no batwa me yan fa me yanko. Sata me ma brofo no etomma yanke to ya wo mo ketenkete no. Ya de mo kone ye ko training mu into pure slavery. Enso wan fa me yan Auntie baby wo piano me shano. Enti baby wo ma ni wo piano se we 58 sa. Mama kan cho na options baby say either so be you wagu. Either so be ja life for ma no to atwene baby no apre na nkwa. Because aka me na me ma no baby dwane ejo mo dem ko Nigeria. Obi otetre na pam wo mo so obi anko ni kurom ya se afra na monko e na omo baaye. Omo ba nso mo de o minsa pa ne papa de so oba no ko si chire 3 caps. Hwenka ho. Or the chire na sa abra na yere sa time no. But my mother stood in as a mother for us. Sa so ma me so chire mu ma o se na. Enti na sa wo fumu wo kwan mi so. When to me for one school said me ti we abawam. Yan for me on school na. Me kai time I was sacrificing na nije at the mama. Time I was then the fa wo de to ho. E ma me mi nya nkwa. Mommy, I am forever indebted to her, not my father.
Wow.
What you say? So let's love them just the way we are. Millennium babies, no, there's something that you can't say. Some milk, lactogen. So one story, you don't have problem. But those from 80s, maybe they do millennium, no. We know what we've been through with our mothers. The women say, "Na on my way for you, near Mokopa, you could don't grow for us." So, what do you have against your mother? Wow. You have no evidence. Sometimes, out of bitterness, they speak a lot, and even when that happens, love conquers everything. Wow. All we need to do is to love them unconditionally. Another one say.
And about can also penny Jariana in show after or see the hiani or dog. Me say Obekoswa the odo eno mame atina nyame so insho wia mkomodi also say abo no man be fa bi no ma hwe na kira kwan wo akonti o ma say for WhatsApp number na voice note auto so na on reply o na afin so Ghana ba bia the Africa ba bia dia bomodi an say be hwe na kira kwan isa man fo fie ntiri ma e benya testimony o ti Ghana ha ka say emuwa opani be bia no e wa wo ha no na ye solution. What time I think you feel no now in Saint Baba to one more. Mama, now we dear Castle Quamdiana to shim. You call young poor Bonnie as a could do better. No one as usual. I intend Montoon Zonta and Montoon call so they free with the original gate and offer cannon. And let's just move on. Yeah. May yes now be actually be nominated to no fiber. I could be the free bodyguard, a back room. Once a notness, a young bar, base, young bar, and now for no business catch any say. baby a wo kono wo beda me mpana ba wo beda bonten
so ate ase
say emre wo edan mu ano wo de obeda ne mo da mpana be ba no beda bonten we de no isu mu na e no ba ne bae when me read them one isu James kai baba nkuri kai na ye fa yin ni abrante o so pia bonten ko di mra no so ne mu se na na mu ntuo na otuba se on de isu to a me pie no opie na mu no se me betre su mo isu abome de ene me na ntin isu ni enti ne o se ne me ntrem se ye de oban be ko ene me na ntin isu ni me ne isu no bomi a ya se bete fa ko isu ye de ye hwe me eto pio ko ni ko to so pani bi de ka kutim no se be me bre bi so ko so pe no pia ne ka na pam za brante ni isu to ye fana o se me de mbehia odamfo da se na mra ne tie enti me de me mra na me di so ma pio se ne baby adu tin kwa beto de ne mama baby atena and sometimes anamuntuo no ama odi okuni ene onu nya ofu house nine e ma na funa na odas nu
esa na tara what ya say
e wa bra no family ma no enti mi adofo me ka ya show crime baby biara wo bi afa no ma no bra be hwa ba wat ni bi anamuntuo no na ogie ene fa ho die e beba wo de an say obekoso no ahwe na wado bi enso say o documentation no e beto e da wase bi da se ne e jabwachi e bi hie bi
that's